Are you the one who is still not very sure why investing into equities can be a road to financial freedom for you? Or do you still ask why you should invest in equity markets? Let us discover some aspect of why it is actually necessary to have some exposure to stocks. First and foremost, the equity markets offer a unique opportunity for long-term growth. When you invest in stocks, you are essentially becoming a part owner of some of the most innovative and successful companies around. Over time, despite market fluctuations, equities have a track record of delivering impressive returns. Your investments have the potential to flourish and multiply. For instance, Nifty 50 has given around 13.5% annually over the last 20 years, way above your FD or savings account interest rates. Yes, equities do carry a certain level of risk. However, it is important to remember that with some risk comes the potential for reward. Investing in equities isn't just about making money, it is about building a secure financial future. Whether you are investing for retirement, funding your child's education, buying your next home, or pursuing your passions, the equity market can help you achieve all those goals. If you really believe that India is growing and this decade belongs to India, you wouldn't want to miss out on participating in India's growth story, do you? And the best way to do is through investing in companies that will contribute to this story. As I say, when India grows, many companies will grow, and you being the part owner in those, your wealth grows. So why not take the first step towards your investment journey through Share Market app? View our videos in Learning Center section and become financially empowered. Because when it comes to investing in your future, knowledge is key. So invest intelligently and invest confidently.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.